Hello and welcome to How to Make Money in a Small Business. Lots of money. These series of slides will guarantee the owner of any small business will be successful, but every step has to be followed. There are no shortcuts, but lots of potholes to disappear into. Be warned. This presentation is aimed at those in the workforce who are dissatisfied with their present circumstances and are itching to start their own business. Those who have been retrenched, made redundant, or just told they are no longer a fit and have access to funds that they don't want to lose. Or those in small business want better results. This is an overview, so lots of detail is omitted. Otherwise it would be hours long, but clients get access to the detail. There is also a revolutionary new system which we only discovered after looking after small business for 45 years, that practically guarantees success in small business. But this can only be revealed as a gift once the client has paid. First thing that you need to do is find a real need. Did you know to be successful in a small business, you have to satisfy a real need, because you won't have the funds and resources to create a need. We can assist in this area. Match the owner to the need. Facts. We all have special talent. We excel when we like something. We stick at something we like. When we do what we love, it's easy. So it's most important to match the owner to the need that's being satisfied. Job satisfaction. Are you in the right job? Are you feeling fulfilled? Are you satisfied with your business? And are you looking for more? We can assist. Life purpose. Do you think you have a life purpose? Do you know your life purpose? Do you follow your life purpose? Do you wonder about your life purpose? We can assist finding your life purpose. Fear of failure. More facts. Fear of failure is normal. It's a fear that protects you, but it also stops you from success because it paralyzes you. We can assist you to overcome this fear. Target market. Do you know the value of a target market? Do you know what a target market is? Do you know your target market? Do you need help with any of the above? We can assist. Market niche. Do you know the value of a market niche? Do you know what a market niche is? Do you know your market niche? And do you need help with any of the above? We can assist. The size of your market niche. Do you know the size of your market niche? Do you know your market size? Do you know your break-even point? Do you need help with any of the above? We can assist. Marketing. Do you know how to market yourself? Do you know how to market your product? Do you know how to find customers? Do you need help with any of the above? We can assist. Lead generation. Do you know how to generate leads? Do you know where to advertise? Have you a proven lead generation system? And do you need help with any of the above? We can assist. Customer service skills. Do you understand customer service? Do you know how important it is? Do you practice customer service? Do you need help with any of the above? We can assist. Pricing and positioning. Do you understand how to price? Do you understand positioning? Do you know the importance of pricing and positioning in a market? Do you need any help with any of the above? We can assist. Supply chain. Do you know about a supply chain? Know you need supply if you resell. Know the minimum quantities you need to order. Do you need help with any of the above? We can assist. Test the market. This is probably the most important of all. Before you commit to a long-term contract, you must test the market. Start off from home. Transition into your business, into your new business. Try to get flexi hours. Maybe even only work 4 days a week or 3 days a week. If you need help with any of the above, we can assist. You must make the process repeatable. To maximize your business, you need to write down the process. To constantly update what you've written till it's correct, then your business has value. If you need help with any of the above, we can assist. Ongoing support. To maximize your success, you will need ongoing support. You will encounter problems. We offer solutions and support for the first year or longer if needed. We can assist. I hope you enjoyed this presentation. Please contact me for more information.